mud chicken with these swamp monkeys on the side.
I'm standing by the side of this 608. Get back at you. I got out. Shame on it.
Oh, condition at DHD. Mother Nature got me about 163. Whooping these daggone swamp monkeys. I'll see you good down here around 4
On aisle 28, clean up on aisle 28.
Easy on
Your
that.
Top Gun said pop off.
Hey, Top Gun. Hey, Top Gun 266, trying to wave him.
No contact, no get back. Sounds good. Reading on the mud chicken go.
Big Body Suburban. Hey, Big Body.
155
Your Top Gun waving.
357 Tennessee, so you're making that trip. A 154 on the Longhorn. 357 Tennessee.
Big Body.
Pulling back.
Hey, 155. Swipe this mic one more time. And now
155, you must be mud chickens. We call ourselves. Tell old Yardbird mud chicken in South Central Tennessee.
tell him I'll take a sack full. Hey, Big Body. Tell him I'll take a sack full, man. Get him. I'll take a sack full. 225. Hello, Tim. 63. I appreciate you letting me know what's going on in the world of sack. Yeah, old Big Body was in there and he was talking to Forrest Gump. I'm trying to get some. He's going to get Lakeside to drive. I'll help him throw the net. I just want to get some. 963, Big Body, 225, break out.
Watch some crews in this bad acting BM technology. Brain, I'm getting down. Sounding good.
I'm trying to go with it. I'm going to watch him throw that net. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to watch that dump looker throw that net, and I'm going to try to get up in there and get some of them sprimps. Me and him going to throw the net. I'm going to see if I can get me a double. Cool, 225, got that.
Big Body. Hey, Big Body Suburban, throw that 769 away. 63 got up.
See reading on the mail.
That's right. I'm going to get me a sack full. I don't need them all. I'm just going to get me a sack full and I'm going to run with it. I got a bunch of ducks. I'm going to see if I can get me some. Tell old Gump I said hello. But I'm after them shrimp. 225, got down. And Roger. And I'm going to get me a sack full and I'm going to run with them. My mud does like to eat shrimp. I'm going to keep it on. 225, got down.
God, tell everybody. 920, I'll see you. juice, sir. That's all he can handle is the shrimp juice, sir. Make him some cocktail, of course.
That's what it's all about, man. You gotta get this
We gotta get this,
Get your radio, Joe.
Good.